With the SLS AMG, a low-temperature cooling circuit cools the transmission fluid. You'll find the heat exchanger of this circuit next to the rear wheel arch. A heat exchanger for the hydraulic fluid of the double-clutch transmission is on the left side of the car. On the right side, there's a second heat exchanger for the gear set. You'll also see the black low-temperature coolant lines that lead to the electric auxiliary cooling pump. The electric auxiliary cooling pump is located behind the paneling of the right front wheel arch. After a repair of the cooling system, you have the following possibilities. Completely replace the coolant using the special tool which creates a vacuum, or use the self-bleed function. To do this, get the coolant up to operating temperature, about 70 degrees. Now the electric auxiliary coolant pump is activated. After the successful bleeding of the coolant, check the level. Open the coolant reservoir slowly, as the liquid may be hot and under pressure. Fill the coolant up to the maximum mark on the coolant expansion reservoir. Then prepare everything for a test drive. Pay attention to the transmission temperature displayed in the instrument cluster under the AMG menu. The temperature may not exceed 105 degrees. After the test drive, check the coolant level once again and correct if necessary.